Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to back up and migrate your Elementor website or WordPress site. This is an essential skill for protecting your work and moving your site to a new host or domain safely. Let's start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the left sidebar and locate plugins. Click on it, then select Add Plugin from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the plugin library where you can search for tools to help with your backup. In the search bar, type Duplicator. This plugin is specifically designed to create complete backups of your WordPress site and make migration straightforward. Once you see Duplicator appear in the search results, click on Install Now. The installation process should only take a moment. After the installation completes, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step is crucial because the plugin won't function until it's activated. Once activated, you're ready to create your backup. Now navigate back to your WordPress dashboard by clicking on the dashboard icon in the top left corner. This brings you back to the main admin screen where you can access all your installed plugins and their features. On the left sidebar, you should now see a new menu item called Duplicator. Click on it to open the Duplicator interface. This is where you'll manage all your site backups and migration packages. The interface is straightforward and designed to make the backup process as simple as possible. Within Duplicator, look for the Backups tab and click on it. Then select Create New to start building your backup package. This initiates the backup creation process. Click Next when prompted. The plugin will now scan your site to prepare the backup, and this might take a few seconds depending on the size of your website. Be patient while it analyzes your files and database. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a Build button. Click Build to begin creating your backup package. The plugin will now generate two essential files, an archive.zip file containing all your site's files and content, and an installer.php file, which is the script that will restore your site when you migrate it to a new location. This process may take a few minutes depending on your site's size, so give it time to complete. When the build process finishes, you'll see download buttons for both files. Download both the archive.zip and the installer.php files to your computer. Make sure to keep these files safe, as they contain your entire website and are what you'll use to restore or migrate your site to a new location. And there you have it. You've successfully created a complete backup of your WordPress or Elementor website that you can use for migration or emergency restoration. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.